How my God. Akwata madoda zibi madoda isihlangu sami kodwa. Siphi isihlangu sami kodwa madoda. Hayi nami ngiyahluleka futhi.
Ngoko for Nkosi yethu.
Papa, just come on! Oh, yes,
You see, so everything is happening, Tammy. We're moving towards a funeral parlor, and the man in charge was just saying that you don't start another song while another song is still ongoing. That must stop doing that. So he's basically saying you don't start a song in the middle of that song being sung. So he wants unison, he wants consistency, he wants people to do things in one voice. There should be not one group singing one song here, like in a rally or a political rally somewhere. So he wants everything to be done according to strict specifications, saying that whatever happens must be done, everyone must be in it. So that's what's happening now. If you can see a bit of action there from them, I'm also going to give you some more singing of the gentlemen.
Asithi maseke bamba imkhonto bese sibamba siphakamisa sicindezela kanye ebese iphakamisa kanye hayi lokho sikwenzayo omnye bese vele phakame awulisho.
Another history lesson that time is saying that when you go down, when you're doing the action you're doing, you must go down, hold your spear and your stick to the ground. Don't just do it once, kick 30 seconds. It must stay on, and then when they say stand up, then they must stand up. So basically teaching them on how to do these things properly, saying that if you're going to do these actions they're doing here properly, you need to follow protocol. You need to know they mean something, saying that now they must do them again, but they must do them right. So that's exactly what we're seeing here. Nothing is done out of random time. Everything is done for a purpose.
Brother, as I'm trying to get closer here, let me tell you that there is a song that Amabuto are singing. It says, Ele Tizwe Owa Numbango, meaning the land is ours why there is confusion and why there is chaos and fighting over the land. That is a very significant song when Isilo is being planted. Remember, he spent most of his life fighting for land. So the song that you are hearing, Eleti is Owanumba. I see here Prince Vanana Zulu, Prince of Kwaminya here, as Amabutho are making their way back to the mortuary here, or as they are making their way to the mortuary. Ndaba sesiyafika siyoyithatha imbube ndaba njengoZulu usuku olukhulu namhlanje mntwana, mhlambe osekuzokwenzeka nje indlunkulu yini manje mntwana?
Njengamanje amabutho njengoba esefikile esehlangabeza ukuzothatha umzimba omdala. Sokuzothathwa omdala manje ahlangabeze yena ngoba wabona nje amabutho manje. Yeah.
Okuzokwenzeka masifike esigodlweni ndaba yini?
Okulindeleke ukuthi sifike esigodlweni.
Okay, please pardon us there. We are doing this live as umntwana wakwaminya umntwana uVanana ekhuza amabutho. Asevukwe usinga ndaba. Asevukwe usinga ndaba ngeke usawaqhu.
Usakwazi kwabamba sokubi kakhulu manje. Sonakele kodwa ke siyathanda njengoba umthetho kahulumeni bawuhloniphile, bayisonyo, bakhelelene futhi. Bahamba kahle impela nje. Bahamba icheme zakwaZulu ezinhle. Ezingaphikisani nomthetho kahulumeni.
Esigodlweni kwenzeka kanjani nda?
Esigodlweni njengamanje uma sisuka lapha siphikelele khona esigodlweni. Sesihambisa ingubo yomhlaba. Nabesile.
Siyathokoza Makeba. Well, that is Prince Vanana Zulu here. He is a senior member of the royal family. NgesiZulu kuthiwa umntwana wakwaminya. What you see here, these are senior princes of the Zulu royal family as they enter here the mortuary to go and fetch the remains of the departed monarch. Please come with me, brother. Let's see if we can go through. Of course, we will respect tradition and protocol and cultural sensitivities. Once we get told to cut off, there will be that abrupt cut off. So for now, let's see how long we can stay with this, but we will not get closer to the mortuary itself here because we need to respect the wishes of the Zulu royal family, as some of Amabutho have already stayed behind. So this group that you see, it's senior princes from the Zulu royal family. These are Zulu family members. Let's try and get in front here. They are being led by Prince Vanana, who was also leading them when they went to Nkosi Luthuli to fetch the remains of the departed monarch. So it's a very emotional day here. I see some of the well-known familiar faces of the Zulu royal family here. These are members of the Zulu royal family making their way. Let's hear the chant here from Prince Vanana Zulu. Well, Prince Vanana Zulu of Kwaminya is briefing Amabutho as to what will happen. I'm not sure if we can listen into that, but for privacy purposes, let's not listen to what he's saying because he is briefing Zulu royal family members, senior princes only. The rest of Amabutho are up there. Let me see if we can go and get some of Amabutho. Pardon us, brother. Let's walk back there and see if we can get the rest of Amabutho coming. So the way this is being done, the first batch or the first group is Zulu royal family members. Then the second group will be senior members of ibutho. So this thing is in categories. It depends ukuthi wena wabuthwa nini, ukuliphi ibutho, which group, which category do you belong to. And then the younger generation, ibutho elincane, is the one that will join later. Let's listen to that singing. As you can see here, for now, they are in high spirits here, singing and dancing. Let's listen to the natural sound. Well, that is the second group, Praden. That is the second batch. The third one is coming now. They are...
Wanyama sinkoto
Onyane ya makhosa waso ungone kanje ubani ungaphuza iphubesi Kabe sitha onyane ya makhosa waso
Oh, asingaka. Apha. Zawathi masebechelelwa yenye.
Size sikaphunga namageba ngithi
boys esangweni osuthu liyaphi
Wakijimi boys esangweni osuthu liyaphi
mana wethu
awuyaphi wethu awuyaphi
mana wethu
awuyaphi wethu awuyaphi
mana wethu
awuyaphi wethu awuyaphi
lalizobila
awuyaphi wethu awuyaphi
mana wethu
awuyaphi wethu awuyaphi
mana wethu
awuyaphi wethu awuyaphi
mana wethu
awuyaphi wethu awuyaphi
I get it up as you see. Ah, pamanina! Hamba kungakwaZulu lezinto. KwaZulu bakwesesha. Akuvalwa konke amaklapha, nomsangano amaklapha. Awuvalwa. Awuvalwa. Yele weekend akho umuntu odansayo lapha. Akho umuntu odansayo. ayongena kanjani Vaya a ser corto,
celebration of the king's life.
So,
and then as we speak now, they are busy starting another song.
All right, maybe let's just take a listen in. Let's just sort of feel the mood for a moment there, Spamandla.
Indeed, let's go to this natural sound. Well, there you have it. That's the natural sound here. You have Amabuto doing their thing here, performing traditional song and dance here. Let's look at one of them there, showcasing his skills, celebrating the life of his departed monarch. You will have such scenes throughout the day. It will continue to happen for the rest of the day here. And when the king's body makes its way to the mortuary, I can tell you that you will have such scenes throughout the streets of Kwanongoma as Amabuto are celebrating the life of King Zwelithini Goodwill Kabhegu Zulu. The Zulu traditional Prime Minister Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi told us we expect that the king's will be read by his lawyers, and that's when we will at least get an understanding of who will be the successor, or at least someone who will act on the throne up until or while the royal family members are still finalizing the issue of succession. For now, that has been a closely guarded secret, and it will continue to be like that for a very long time, or at least up until that will is read. That's when we will be able to get a picture with succession. It's not something that is widely and publicly discussed in the Zulu nation, and it's been like that for years. I remember when the news broke that the late king is no more, I asked Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, who is the traditional prime minister of the Zulu nation, to say, it's a difficult one. Remember, it hasn't happened for 50 years that the king departs. So what you will get is that everything that will be happening from today and tomorrow moving forward will be a learning curve even for Zulu royal family members, because the king has been on the throne for 50 years. So they have never had an opportunity to deal with such news of the departure of the king. So obviously a king will have to be installed and coronated. After that, as to what will happen, of course the queens will remain in their palaces, because the new king cannot, and culturally he will not be able to chase away his mothers. So we know that the current queens will remain in their palaces. Whether the new king will need to build new palaces, that's another issue that will only be decided by the new monarch. Remember that he would have had a home anyway where he would have lived with his mother and siblings. So that palace will belong to him as his home. Even the current palace, by the way, where Kwakhetho Mthandayo, where the current monarch's remains will be taken to, that is where his father lived, as more and more traditional song and dance is going on here. My colleague Bongam Kize will show you in the meantime. So the new king will have a home, of which would have been the palace where his mother lived. As to what will happen then moving forward, he will have to decide whether he needs a new palace or not. And I guess it's not as easy as that. There are too many cultural issues to consider, and then that decision will be made. But for now, we'll only have to wait up until that will is read, and there will be a clear direction as to what will happen moving forward.
All right, well, let's talk about the actual ceremony, if you can still hear me, Spa, and what's expected to happen in the early hours of tomorrow morning, the actual laying to rest ceremony. I suppose a lot of people just wondering about the term, the planting of the king. If you have any insight into that, maybe just tell us why it's referred to in that term.
Okay, because there is a Zulu term for it called ukuchalwa kwesilo or ukuchalwa kwembube. Now, when you plant something, it is widely expected that something will grow out of that. So
Iduma konakala kuzobe kunakalele nina igama leyongqondo nanti lamakhosi igama leyongqondo umntwana igama leyongqondo ningothi umsebenzi wengonyama uqobo yini ningesumanga sekukhuluma kahle nani nginiyala lokho asikwenze ngendlela abantu niyabona manje niyabona izaponya zethu niyabona manje niyabona ukuthi uma ngithekile inhlonipho uma ingekho uyisenese noma ngiwanamandla angakanani kodwa nje uma inhlonipho ingekho uyisenese
We are inside the palace now. We understand that the Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi is trying to address Amabutho. We'll just put the mic and listen to what he's saying.
Kimi uthekimi mangize umzukulu wami ngiyomncaba ngathi angisukuya ngoba sengimdala kakhulu ngakho kumele ekhuluma igama linganaki mina njengoNkulunkulu wesizwe ngithi kufanele ngihlakazeke manje nawe ngihlakazekani
Yes, Nkosi Mangosuthu Buthelezi, who is the Prime Minister of the Zulu Nation, has ordered the Amabutho to disperse. We heard him, he was trying to explain to them that what they are doing is not safe in terms of the COVID-19